Hey besties, it's Crystalle, your Denver Realtor Bestie, and today I'm so excited to take you on a tour of the Surge floor plan by Thrive Home Builders at the stunning Loretto Heights community right here in Denver. This home has so many amazing features packed into 3 stories, and it's perfect for anyone looking for modern living in a great location. Before we jump in, be sure to check the links in the description to get your free customized list of Denver Metro new construction homes. All right, let's grab your coffee and get started. Stepping right into the Surge floor plan, it's hard not to fall in love right away. This home is designed to give you flexibility and space while still feeling cozy. On that first level, you're going to get a flex room. That could be your home office, it could be a gym, or even a creative studio. It's totally up to you. And then moving up to that main living area, you're going to have an open concept that's perfect for entertaining and relaxing. The kitchen really is the star of the show here because it has this super cute, oversized island, lots of storage space. You're going to get those quartz countertops and those stainless steel appliances. Plus, there is a private deck that's just off that dining space, which is ideal for enjoying Colorado's beautiful weather or having a cup of coffee. Heading upstairs, you're going to have a primary suite, which feels like your own personal retreat. It's spacious, it has lots of natural light, and then it's going to come with a luxurious bathroom that has double vanities and a spa inspired vibe. The additional bedrooms are going to be perfect for guests and kids, or even more office space or a closet room, whatever floats your boat. Thrive Home Builders is really known for their energy efficient design. So they've truly outdone themselves here. So every home in this community is going to come standard with solar panels and a radon system. And you don't have to worry about if you're going to have an additional cost of leasing these items because it's going to be built into your overall purchase price. So you're going to be living greener and saving on energy costs. So it's truly a win-win situation. Plus, Thrive really focuses on healthy homes. They have air filtration systems and materials that keep your living environment fresh and clean. I really do love how they've combined cutting edge technology with comfort. So let's talk about Loretto Heights. This community is tucked into a historic part of Denver that's just minutes from downtown. You can easily get downtown. You can easily get to Red Rocks. You can easily get to Littleton. It has easy access to throughout the city, but with that quiet charm of a residential neighborhood. There's walking trails and open spaces that are going to be built into the community as well. And just directly across the street, while they continue to develop and build Denver, to me, that just means more appreciation. And if you're all about location, you're really going to be close to a lot of great shopping and dining and entertainment. Not to mention, there's plenty of nearby parks and schools. It's a little slice of Denver that really does offer it all. So what do you think? Could the Surge floor plan be the perfect plan for you? Let me know your favorite feature in the comments. And if you're ready to schedule a tour or learn more about this community, hit the links in the description for everything that you're going to need. Have a good cup of coffee and enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good one, bestie. Talk to you soon. Bye.